people them money and that's it.
Yeah. He said, all right, if you merch are the problem, merch company the problem. Stop work with them and give the people them back their money, or you find one
And
next
that's
merch
it.
company. Find a solution.
You know what? But let me tell you what happened. Let me tell you why Swisslee probably can't give out the people them their money. And it isn't just my observation. Swisslee making a pre-order the merch and a few no money pay for the merch. And there's no money for refund. That is my observation. He got pre-order merch.
That's exactly what happened.
And he use you guys' money to pay for those pre-order, for the first shipment. And then him fuck it up. That's what happened. That's how you do business, sir. Well, you have to pay for it now. You have to pay for it now. That's why people do pre-order, you know. Them use the money. Yes, that's what happened. Wait, no matter what happened, you still have to give back the people their money. But $200 is for what? This is one person, you know. Remember, other people purchasing, you know, but everybody now come out, you know. Some people start saying, no, I make it go on. This is just one person, you know. This is just one person. And that's the thing with Swisslee. When the things say, we get a little fame, I want to know what one shit you know about, you know, what merch, I don't want this, I don't want that. I want to sit down, I want to do no research, because all I want to dance. You cannot do that. You cannot do that, sir. You cannot take people money and not give them back give them product. Right now, if you have to refund it out of your pocket, you have to $10 go on without no badge, please and thank you. Come call back bank and get back your money. It doesn't work like that.
No.
Everybody in a mute out them damn people, please. No matter, me don't want to talk to them. Just mute them, block them. The people in merch. The people, the lady want her $221. But Ben's a mad, no. Ben's a mad what? A Ben's a mad and he live in the same apartment. Woman pay for fee for 6 months, for 6 months rent. Come on, people. Come on, people. Hope something for mad somebody. You know, dumb as fuck, yo.
Well, Ben's
dumb as fuck. Y'all is dumb as fuck. You're driving around in a GLE and you have a landlord. Make that make sense. You have a landlord and you're driving around in a GLE and you're hanging your clothes on a balcony to dry. Are you crazy? Are you dumb? You hang your clothes in America on a balcony to dry. And you're driving around now on GLE.
Can't mute them.
Yeah, and we're not paying rent here. We live in our own house. So what are they saying? You know what the thing is? They got their priorities all fucked up.
Yeah, your priorities all fucked up.
You think that jail is an accomplishment?
No garage to park it? The fuck y'all talking about? Y'all make that make sense. The lady need her money.
House settings. We don't go car settings. We go house.
And we don't wait for the bank to come and tell us to pay. We don't pay monthly. We don't.
Anybody in America can buy a Benz. Anybody with good credit can go buy a Benz. Right now, the car dealership will call you and beg you to come trade in your car.
$360,000 and buy a house cash.
Yeah.
Tell me where Swisslee could do that and buy cash.
The lady need her money.
Let's talk about the money. We don't care about the Benz.
All right.
Do that. 6 cars take park in my driveway.
7 months now, the lady order something and not get it. 7 months now, when I can talk about jealous. If I mean, them.
That's their key word that they always try to think they could push on everybody and try to force it down everybody's throat, but it doesn't make no sense. For what?
7
You know what
months
your GE costs? And we're not talking about leasing. We could purchase that cash. The government know about me. They sure do know about me. Everything about me. It's not hidden here.
So Shan, so you were like a regular supporter of him who gifted him and all of that?
No, my friend.
Oh, your friend who was here. Oh, the one who was talking. Oh, I thought it was.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
I introduced her to him because I was always on here live. So I introduced her to the Jamaican TikTok side because she wasn't on that side. So when he dropped the merge and I showed her, she liked it. So she was purchasing it for her daughter. You get what I'm saying? I introduced
just to support
her.
him. Yeah, just to support him. Yeah. And this is what she get. Because she not even that person will consume your content all the time or anything. She just support you. And this is what the person get. Come on. Like y'all is just y'all crazy over here. I swear.
But then you want to come and tell people that people bad mind you. How can somebody that own their house in America bad mind somebody for a fucking GLE? Like, that makes sense?
Every time I remove some of them people are black, they make them go on.
Me mad you. Me think you mad already. Me just do it.
And they always pick
refund. We cannot what?
We just want him to give back the woman her money, all of that extra shit. I don't care.
Nobody cares about that.
Money. He can pay rent and he can drive Lamborghini. I don't care. I do not care.
Him to give a refund. Nobody want to tell him. They don't want to comment and tell
we
him that.
dispute it with the
But
bank.
they want to come right here and comment
And the bank basically said that we got the merge.
Yeah, some banks are like that. Some banks are definitely like that. I had an experience with a bank. I can't remember which bank it was. And I was like, that's why anything I'm buying, I go through Chase. Because Chase though.
Okay. He first when you what black them, make them go on with them I go. But what if
Brina jump down and come back in at the box. Because we don't know why you can't block them. Yeah, I don't remember which bank me use. And they tell me say I can't get back my money. Them tell me say I cannot get back my money. But that's why I always use Chase for certain things. Because Chase will give back your money, they drop of a dime. I don't understand these people and not gonna make it seem like. That's why people sometimes when you're not buy to PayPal is a good way to use. Because PayPal will give you back your money.
Wake up. You've got about time money and
we talk about thief in Swisslee. We thief the woman $221 for merch and I know she not get it 7 months later.
What? How much money?
I need people them over here say a bad lady, bad mind for GLE.
How much money?
$221 she spent for merch.
For order.
For her order now, no she not get it.
7 months now.
7 months from June 2nd.
So why she never reach out to him or something?
She reach out to him and
reach out to him, even reach out to Pinkwall and they might ignore after that. The woman reached to Pinkwall, the woman reach out to him and they might ignore the woman. Never stop them something there. That's a call scam. Them something they scam. Them need to stop it. And the people them where them favorite them not tell them the truth.
No, them block her.
And then them block the woman and do all type of evil something to you, woman. Them too freaking out. Guys, please
woman have all her
let us sort out
everything.
But me never think him do one. I think one time on him live him there tell him say it's gonna be a bit late. Because
it's 7 months late, Kitty. 7 months late, Kitty. You don't want something 7 months late?
7 months late?
No.
More than that.
From summer stuff, she ordered shorts and t-shirts.
Was 7 months late? Like, come on, which store do that? DH get sell fake clothes and then don't take long. Then take like a month. Then it takes 7 months to get your item.
Not God.
And that's the thing.
Swisslee, I go come up front, my brother. Yeah, come address.
Yeah, and my friend come text him and tell him say, "Woman, when you shan one
He's not gonna talk about it.
We don't care if he want to talk about it, but he can talk about other stuff. Same like how you protect your brand from people.
Yeah, Roscoe, mommy. Guys, follow this page. We're gonna change the name. Follow the page.
That's what you're supposed to do.
My page now come back till Tuesday. Some dirty drunk.
You can't come on platform and talk about other stuff. Man never run it down. Man never this. Man never that. Are your brand same way this year protect? Can you take the woman money and don't give the woman her stuff? And then the woman are reach out to the
Kitty, she have approved. She ordered from June 2nd. Them tell her she go come between June 14 and 21 and I'll know.
You know what I'm saying now? When I care who wants some more support Sheena and Shiny and them people they prefer support them people they can't get me things, me can call them and they must send me back. Call if me get it, me can tell them say me not get it and they send me back my money.
Yeah, we'll get your Sheeny, we'll get your Sheeny, but you're not get the teambless merch.
I don't care.
I want to, me can't tell you no.
Okay, wait, say Shanshan, hold on guys. Shanshan, what you say?
I don't mind. No,
go ahead, ask what you want to ask.
My question is to every single human being, because everybody here is human and they got feelings. And I would ask, my question is, every single person I'm asking, if this was in their shoe, if they was in my shoes, how would they feel knowing months have passed gone and nobody paid them no mind, nothing, they got nothing?
This is
What about my money? What about my money? I could have $1, me want it back.
I could have 5 cents to feel me want it back.
You want it back. And the ladies are disabled person who doesn't see
There goes Swisslee.
Right there, saying
Swisslee, this young lady said she purchased merch from last year, July.
The bank don't refund her. Where the proof? Where the bank refund her?
From last year, June.
Where the proof?
From last year, June.
Hey, go in the big box and show her. Where the proof the bank refund her? Guys, somebody jump down.
Right. Swisslee say add him.
Somebody jump. Hold on. Somebody jump.
Okay,
all right, let me turn on the box. Hold on, sorry. Give me 1 second, Swisslee. 1 second.
Carry already.
Oh, carry drop. Okay. All right, everybody mute and let's hear what him have to say.
Hello.
Shan, there's Swisslee. You can have a conversation with him.
Hello.
This lady reached out to us this morning. She sent her proof. She bought merch since last year, June the 2nd. And it said it was going to deliver a certain time. It hasn't been delivered. Her bank won't refund her.
I understand all of that. You see, most of the people, we say them forget their merch. Them still they get their merch up to now. So the person them and me do the merch with the lady name I talk now.
I'm talking. Trina talk. TikTok lawyer talk. Yeah, I'm talking.
The person who me do the merch thing them with, me invest the money and all of them things. So I tell them, say, all right, the people them who away on the merch and it take long tell the bank say, yo, we don't want back a refund. So the bank send back the money.
No, but Swisslee, every bank don't work like that, Swisslee.
No, me know. A lot of people still not get back the merch. Like up to now. Me not gonna tell her say, yo, oh yeah, mama, you get the merch or whatever. Me pay for photo shoot, me do the whole of that. Half of my people in my team, they get merch up to now. Like a lot of people they get merch up to now. A lot of people still in my DM still say them they get merch up to now. Me I text the people them not answer me. The woman on the live right now, I can go on live and call the woman on name, call me, let me know the people them, and tell her, so yo, this I get out of hand and people feel like, so yo, I take the people them money. I try to link, Rami should talk to them to say I can sue them. But Rami, the thing is going with, see, if they dispute it, that's the word, Shamika Nicole.
Yeah, but Swisslee, I've bought stuff online, right? And I dispute it and I don't receive my money.
But when me have to go do, mama, yeah, me I say,
no, but Swisslee. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I say, what me have to go do? I go on my life, because this one out right now, I make it look like I'm a scam or I'm a thief. So
no, that's what I'm doing. She said she reach out to you and you block her.
Omega block her, miss, Omega block her woman if she reach out. You know my DM Ram? Omega block her. Me just tell you, say a lot of people do not get it, bro.
Can I say,
you know, come right up to come tell us, yo, mama.
Go ahead, say something. This is a person. Shan is a person.
Swisslee is not understanding. Is supporters when you go on his live and you mention anything about the merch, they mute you or they
the moderators. Okay.
Oh, but you said me,
but she don't know who mute her or block her, but she's on your live.
They're not giving you what to say.
Shanshan, hold on.
Listen now. I have tried emailing Swisslee. I have tried. I even take
Shanshan, hold on 1 second. Swisslee, when I run a platform, hold on the big B. Swisslee, you see when I run a platform and this is your merch, no matter who fuck up behind this whole thing, a Swisslee name will come to the front because you're the person. You're the person. No matter who fuck up, the persons who buy from you, they don't care because them buy it because of Swisslee. Yeah, it's not because of who. They don't care what happened behind the scenes, you know. They care. They a year on year. Because remember, this lady, she said her friend introduced her, and she just wanted to support you. She don't watch you really, but her friend introduced her and her daughter liked the merch and she decided to get it. So you have a platform. I mean, what do you have?
We better follow what the people them say. So the lady asked, SK upon the life, the send her your cash up and we just give out the money where you say you spend. And rest of it, me just add the woman, me I come live now and call the woman right now and ask her how this I go call. Me didn't even know this is coming at 2025. So
He look bad for true though, Swisslee. He look bad.
It look bad on your brand. It looks very bad on your brand.
The lady does send your cash. Bro, big B, me I tell you, bro. I shouldn't know, bro. There's nothing me I come and say, come talk.
But Swisslee, sometimes Swisslee, you have to communicate. When it comes to people money.
Bro, me talking on life every day. That's what I tell them dispute.
No, but me understand. You see, when like when as them say they come on your life and them get blocked, them feel disrespected.
All right,